Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important question for your class 10 board exams and even for the other competitive level exams also about the non-cooperation movement. My dear students, you can see here now we are going to explain you the answer, and in case if the question comes for you in this form, how you are supposed to write the answer. We are just showing you the way how you are supposed to write the answer to score out of 4 marks. And dear students, this question can be asked for you in your academic board exam for 3 or 4 marks. Okay, this question has the weightage of asking 3 to 4 marks. See children, the question can be asked for you in this form, that is, write a note on the major programs of the non-cooperation movement. Write a note on the major programs means during non-cooperation movement. So which are the programs has been launched? So what exactly people did during non-cooperation movement? That is what we are going to discuss here. See children, after Jallianwala Bagh massacre, this non-cooperation movement has been launched. Okay, that you should remember. After Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, which happened during the freedom struggle. Okay, after this non-cooperation movement has been launched. Now, see children, before we go to this answer, I just ask you people, in case still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all, and share this video as much as possible with your all friends, so that let they also learn the answer writing technique and score out of 4 marks. See children, so these are the major programs which was which has been held during the non-cooperation movement. All peoples, means Indians, they started boycotting school, colleges, courts, and even the elections. Okay, and even they boycotted all government functions and returned all foreign goods. Okay, they returned all the foreign goods, and some amount of goods even they burnt also during that time. So the people's angriness was so much during that time. And next, and like example like Rabindranath Tagore, okay, he and also so many peoples have returned all their titles and honors to the British government, and so many nominated leaders were there in the local body, even they have resigned their memberships also. Okay, it means that we are not going to work under you, so they return their membership. And all peoples encouraged, I mean the national leaders encouraged all the peoples like start using handlooms and start producing khadi, and from here onwards we use only khadi, we don't use foreign goods. That is what the people started encouraging, and the leaders started encouraging to start the activities of handlooms and even the production of khadi. And later on they started opening national schools, achieving unity among Hindus and Muslims. This was a major thing during that time. Still we are facing this issue, right? Hindus and Muslims, yeah. Until unless even in India also, we till when we doesn't maintain the unity among the Hindus and Muslims, even the agitation will increase, even we cannot maintain the national unity and integrity. So it's our duty, we are the youngsters, we have to maintain the national integrity and unity among Hindus and Muslims and even other caste also. So because of that reason only, even that time Hindus and Muslims and all other caste was united together, so only we got the freedom. If not, today we might have not got the freedom, that we should remember. So even that time they achieved unity among the Hindus and Muslims and eradicating untouchability. They removed untouchability, they eradicated untouchability and women empowerment to uplift them, and they started even encouraging the women also. In these ways they started the programs, okay, during non-cooperation movement. So I hope you all have understood these points. How was the if you have liked this session, click the like button and even comment below how was this class. I hope this video is very interesting, and the points what we have given, definitely you can score a very good marks in the upcoming board exam. If you have liked this video, click the like button and share this as much as possible with your all friends. And if any students are interested to join our regular classes, okay, the admissions are open, you can join, and we conduct classes from class 6 to class 12. Hurry up limited seats. And still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the below given comment box. Wish you all the best of luck. Take care. Bye bye. But keep watching.